Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to save Google Photos to Gallery Android. We start by opening Chrome and looking for the image we want from the Images category. We click on it. After that, we hold down on the image and select the Download Image option. Finally, when the download is finished, we can see the image in our gallery. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.